All right, I'm updating my staircase. I was getting tired of having the painted steps because it's slippery. So I got the rubber mats, but they start moving. So I'm gonna put carpeting. But before I do that, I wanted to do the back part. So I got these rolls from Amazon. It's made out of vinyl, which is great because it's forgiving. You can stretch it, you can cut it without tearing, and you can move it around. As long as the paint behind here is high gloss, it can slide very easily. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. They're pre-cut, but then again, you still have to make sure you clean it. You know, have a plastic scraper is very useful so you don't rip anything, and a knife, of course. Wipe it all down, clean it nice. Once you're ready to put this, cut off the excess on both sides because you don't want too much to work with. Now try to match the design. If you notice these two pieces here, they match the two pieces up there. So that's exactly where it goes. Now, the way this works, it's a sticker. So it's very similar to wallpaper. They tell you to do half at a time. Don't take it off completely, then you'll have a mess. So halfway is good. Now I'm gonna favor the top of the step. So now I have to even it out, try to match the top one. I want a little bit of a bend on the corners. So I'm trying to get it straight. So I'm getting the top first. All right, once I get the top, all right, you see the bends there, but that's okay. Because it is vinyl, I can take it out again, just to get that out, right? I can push the center and work my way over. I could keep doing this. See, now that I know that it's level from the top, I can push it back out. See, I'm doing the center first. I got the little bend here, so I can cut it later. Now I can take off the rest of the backing, push it through the center, see? Right in the middle. Have the bend. I do everything by hand. There's a little bend there, so I'm gonna pull it off a little bit. See the little bend? I'm gonna pull it off just to get the air out. There you go, now it's nice and straight. Now I don't feel any bubbles, but if you do have a little bubble, what you gotta do, say make, for example, there's a bubble here, and you can't push it out, just do a little slit, pop out the air, and it's good to go. This is vinyl, so you can do that with vinyl very easily. Now if you wanna make it even flatter, use a plastic scraper, start from the middle, and push your way out to the sides until it's all done. Then when you cut the edges, you use the scraper again. Here, I'll show you on this side. Put it, make sure it's nice and tight. And then you make sure you have a sharp knife. You cut down. Don't take off the knife. Keep moving the scraper as a guide till you get halfway. Then you work your way from the bottom up. So I'm gonna get down here. All right. All right. Now the bottom one didn't cut off completely. It's okay. Like that, and you're done. Now, of course, I'm gonna get carpeting. It's gonna go right against it. It's much easier to do it before you install the carpeting. And everything will be finished. And look at it, it looks like real stone. All right, I hope this will help you in your installation. Just like I said, do half at a time when you take off the paper. If you take it all off at once, you might crumble it and bend it, and it's gonna be a mess. All right, so favor the top, because that's what you're gonna see. The bottom, if it's a little short like the top one, that's fine, because the carpet's gonna go right against it. You won't even see it. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my videos. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up.